farewell.
Hello everyone, I'm Callahan McClellan. And I'm Turner Ryan. Simply put, middle school is like a math equation. You have your positives, negatives, and variables you just cannot solve, which would drive anyone insane. But with time and hard work, the equation will be solved. Sadly, math isn't the only challenge in middle school. There's also Mr. Ryan's English class. Joking aside, middle school is blown out of proportion in some places. The teachers are not out to get you, even though it may seem so, and the little things will not kill you.
We had many experiences in middle school, and 6th grade was an interesting year. Cultivating our inner ferret in math class is ziplining the telephone pole like James Bond. The rest of the year was just blurs, besides the occasional project and poem. Starting in 6th grade, everybody thought middle school was rainbows and butterflies. That is, until we delved into the mysteries of fractals, two-dimensional worlds, and Mobius the cow, and the order of operation stands, which will stick with us for the rest of our lives. Social studies got our Shakespeare on with the Renaissance Fair. Science blew our mind with electric motors and lemon batteries. 6th grade was crazy.
Where 6th grade moved at ludicrous speed, 7th grade developed our patience by putting us through the project we either loved or hated with all our physical being, science fair. Science fair certainly expanded our view on the world and how we can change it just with one idea. Mrs. Gerhold was our science teacher and science fair advisor. To this day, some of her choosiest angry words are our favorite words to repeat. Tiddlywink, sugar beets, and bologna flowers. Even though the notes she made us take were tedious at some points, they were extremely helpful for the tests she gave us. Now listen, 5th and 6th graders, when she says they're hard, they will be hard. Other than that, 7th grade was the halfway point of our middle school experience. We all thought, we're halfway there, what could go wrong? Only if we knew what awaited us next year.
8th grade is like the last lap of the mile. Everyone is tired and wants to be done, but we trudge on. At this point in middle school, most of us are in a full-board sprint. The most memorable experience of 8th grade and our time at the middle school was the Courage Retreat. It opened our eyes to the world around us. I'm only going to say that much because it's your path to walk and experience. Then we had a sudden sense of deja vu with science fair for the second time. However, science fair was not the only fair that occurred. We also had geography fair. The food made it an enjoyable experience. Like Cal said, Mr. Ryan's English class was tough, but it was rewarding to see all the hard work that we put into our papers, then to see how it turned out. Although 8th grade seemed long and never-ending, we enjoyed it while it lasted.
We leave you with this, 5th, 6th, and 7th grade, and I will quote Ferris Bueller since it seems fitting. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. And to our fellow 8th graders, our words of wisdom come from the mind of William Jennings Bryan. Destiny is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for, it is a thing to be achieved. We want to give a big thank you on behalf of the class of 2017 to the teachers who put up, yes, put up with us for 3 years.
Hey, 8th grade, who's ready for another 4 years? Thank you for your time.
Mr. Hankey and the jazz band will be sitting up behind me as we close out today, but just a few comments very quickly. Again, thank you parents for taking the time.